Imagine the earth and its veins, pulsating with life's essence, flowing from our planet's heart to its extremities. Rivers, Earth's veins, nurture life globally, from the Amazon's might to tranquil forest streams. Each water drop narrates a story of beauty, majesty, and an indispensable journey from source to sea. These life ribbons crisscrossing our world aren't just ecosystem supports, they're civilization's cradle, shaping history, culture, and lifestyle. Join this cinematic odyssey to comprehend their profound significance to nature and us, revealing rivers' transformative power and highlighting the imperative of their protection. Witness challenges and triumphs, prompting reflection, learning, and inspired action. From the Nile's ancient whispers to the Amazon's untamed symphony, rivers are more than water bodies. They're civilization cradles. They've carved cultures, shaped economies, and scripted our ancestors' histories. Like rivers converging, our stories intertwine with these natural wonders, underscoring rivers' immeasurable impact on life, economies, and even our arts and societal structures. Beyond history, each river narrates an ongoing tale of nature-human interplay, urging a shared commitment to preserve these vital life sources. Yet these lifelines face peril, pollution, habitat destruction, and our actions threaten rivers from the Amazon to the Thames. Toxic pollutants and deforestation expose and endanger them, eroding species' habitats and destabilizing riverbeds. Every human activity sends ripples through these watercourses, but hope remains. Inspiring success stories of restoration highlight communities and conservationists uniting in action, proving we can rejuvenate our rivers for future generations. In our planet's ecological narrative, stories of unity, resilience, and hope emerge. Rivers, critical to biodiversity and culture, have weathered threats but prevail through conservation efforts. Restoration projects demonstrate ecosystems' rebirth from pollution's silence. The query of individual contribution becomes vital. Everyday actions and sustainable practices can create ripples of change. These success narratives inspire towards a tomorrow of flowing, life-nurturing rivers, emphasizing our interconnected fates with river health. Rivers, Earth's lifelines, cradle civilizations and enrich our heritage. Their future summons us to action, intertwining countless species' destinies with our own. Standing at the confluence of knowledge and action, we're reminded of our power to affect sustainability. Rivers are foundational to ecosystems, demanding urgent conservation. Engaging in sustainable practices and supporting river preservation initiatives contributes to the conservation stream, ensuring rivers' vitality for the future. Together, our collective efforts can safeguard these essential arteries, promising a vibrant world for all.